Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how I analyze my charts, and this is a thing that I guess will help you a lot, especially if you're finding difficult to find an edge in the market. So I'm going to analyze for you CHF JPY, and most of the time, if you want to do the best analysis come from knowing the overall trend, looking for prices where it's reacting from, and all those kind of stuffs. So today I'll be showing you how to analyze GJ, I mean CHF JPY, sorry. So today it's on a Sunday, so you can clearly see that it's being written that the market is closed. But well, let's start. So this is what I always normally do. The first thing, I check the trend, and what I see here is that the trend is have been very bullish from March 2025. The prices have been pulling upwards and making high highs. So I want to show you how to analyze the market. So if I look at a trade that I wanted to take, it was on a Tuesday. So let me just mark Tuesday. So Tuesday, it's about this point, which was on March 17 of this year. So the first thing I do is mark that point. So this was on Tuesday. So I've marked the candlestick on a daily time frame. Then another thing that I want to see is where the market might react from, so that I can be able to understand, should I take a buy or a sell. So another thing that you need to do is draw your levels, or find a price whereby prices have been reacting multiple times. So if I come and look at this neckline, actually there's a neckline of something that looked like a W pattern there. In this pair, actually I'll just figure out about CHF JPY. Most of the time it's reacting um by W patterns, or double bottoms, or double top. Anyway, so since it's a bullish market, so I should be looking for longs, but I want us to look at the previous candlestick, which is just this point here, right? Yeah, this is my candle, but this is where most prices is reacting from. So what I should be looking for, it's a sweep of liquidity. You see, most of the candlestick, how it happens, this always a sweep of liquidity before the market pushing much above. So the first thing is this zone, and we have multiple touches. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a varied point whereby the market might be a zone of interest where the market might retrace back. So the first thing I need now to do is looking for sales. Why do I am I looking for sales? Because another thing, if you can just check here, just the way we have a W pattern, I just want to show you something. There is this kind of price action here. Prices pushed. Sorry, don't have a lot of tools, but yeah. So prices just pushed like this. It's always good to be open-minded. Anyway, when you're trading, I guess you should make some confluences on yourself and try to see what the market is doing. Anyway, so the first thing you can see, it's a it's an M pattern, and we have this kind of neckline here where the prices was actually. And so the first thing, now you already know, now you should be looking out for sales. Now you want to see on a lower time frame how the market will react. So let's switch to the 4 hour time frame. So this is our daily candlestick, and you can see it reacted back here, closed below this neckline. And what we always want to do from a 1 hour time frame, it's getting a confirmation. Most of the time, yeah, you should look in the 15 minutes, but sometimes, more oftenly, I always check a higher time frame like the 4 hour. So this is the how the market really pushed. It's came and retraced back to the neckline. Then from there, the market was bearish since. So that is how you can catch such kind of moves if you are a trader who always wants to trade higher time frame. Sometimes the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame. It's always good to analyze your trades on. As a day trader, most of the time you always find me trading with a super very high time frame, and it's always working in most ways. So you can see the market just pushed up, reversed against that kind of broken. Now it pushed much below. So thank you guys for your time, and see you next week. So I'll be posting videos such as this. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a like or a comment, guys, out there. So, and let me know what you are interested in that I can analyze for you guys. So thank you for your time. Peace out.